Have you ever wondered about the differences between cows and buffaloes? They're both large, herbivorous mammals, but what sets them apart? Today, we'll delve into the intriguing world of these two bovine species. It's easy to lump them together in the same category, given their similar size and dietary habits. But in fact, cows and buffaloes have distinct traits and characteristics that make each one unique. Perhaps you've seen them grazing in a field or standing majestically on a hillside. Or maybe you've encountered them in books or on television. These gentle giants of the animal kingdom have been a part of human civilization for thousands of years, providing sustenance, labor, and even companionship. But beyond their utilitarian value, cows and buffaloes are fascinating creatures in their own right. Each species has its own behavior patterns, physical characteristics, and social structure. So, what makes a cow and a buffalo a buffalo? Stay tuned to find out more about these fascinating creatures. To understand the differences, we need to first delve into the world of bovines. Bovines, a group that includes animals like cows, buffaloes, and bison, are some of the most fascinating creatures on our planet. They are large, hoofed mammals, part of the subfamily Bovinae, known for their robust bodies, long heads, and distinctive horns. These creatures are herbivores, grazing on grasses, herbs, and shrubs, with a complex digestive system that allows them to extract nutrients from plant material that many other animals can't. What's more, they are ruminants, which means they chew the cud regurgitated from their rumen, a specialized stomach compartment that aids in the breakdown of plant matter. Bovines have been integral to human societies for thousands of years, providing us with everything from food to companionship. They've been worshipped, feared, and revered in various cultures around the globe. In India, for instance, cows are considered sacred by the majority Hindu population. They are seen as a symbol of abundance and a source of sustenance, providing milk and dairy products. Meanwhile, in certain African cultures, cattle are a sign of wealth and status, used for dowry payments and as a means of trade. But bovines aren't just cultural icons. They've also been vital to our survival and development as a species. They've plowed our fields, giving rise to agriculture, and their hides have provided us with clothing and shelter. Their dung is used as fuel in many parts of the world and as a natural fertilizer for crops. As diverse as their roles may be, every bovine species shares certain traits. They are social animals, often found in herds, and they communicate with each other through a range of vocalizations, body movements, and even facial expressions. They are also highly adaptable, able to survive in a variety of habitats, from grasslands to forests to mountains. Now, having painted a broad picture of bovines and their role in our world, it's time to zoom in on two particular members of this group. Now let's get into the specifics of each species. Cows, known for their gentle demeanor and the milk they produce, have been domesticated by humans for thousands of years. These docile creatures have been companions to mankind in countless ways, right from agriculture to dairy production, and even religious significance in certain cultures. Let's take a moment to appreciate the features of these ruminant animals. Cows have a large body, a long face, and cloven hooves. They are herbivores, and their complex digestive system allows them to derive nutrients from plant-based foods that humans can't. This is because cows are ruminants, meaning they have a specialized stomach with 4 compartments to process plant matter. Their lifestyle is simple and peaceful. Cows spend their days grazing on grass, resting, and ruminating, a process of regurgitating and rechewing their food. They are social animals, often forming close bonds with their herd members. Now let's talk about the role of cows in agriculture and dairy production. For centuries, they have been working animals, used to plow fields and draw carts. Their manure is a rich source of nutrients and is often used as natural fertilizer, enhancing soil fertility. But perhaps the most significant contribution of cows is to the dairy industry. Their milk forms the basis of numerous dairy products consumed worldwide, such as cheese, butter, and yogurt. Cow's milk has a unique nutritional profile, making it a staple in many diets. It's rich in protein, calcium, and vitamins, providing essential nutrients for growth and development. Cows also play a role in sustainable farming practices. By converting grass and other inedible plants into nutritious milk, they contribute to food security and rural livelihoods. In many cultures, cows are revered and considered sacred. In India, for instance, they are a symbol of abundance and fertility, often associated with the goddess of prosperity, Lakshmi. Now that we've got the lowdown on cows, let's turn our attention to their more robust relatives, the buffaloes. Buffaloes, often associated with strength and power, play a crucial role in many ecosystems. From the sprawling plains of North America to the lush green landscapes of Africa, the buffalo is a picture of resilience and vitality. This mighty beast, with its robust physique and formidable horns, is recognized globally for its raw strength and power. Buffaloes are more than just the embodiment of physical prowess. They are gifted with a keen sense of smell, which they use to detect predators from a considerable distance. Their acute hearing is another essential tool for survival in the wild. Despite their imposing size, these creatures are surprisingly agile and can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour when threatened. Now, let's talk about the buffalo's habitat. These magnificent creatures are known for their adaptability. Whether it's the open grasslands of Africa, the dense forests of Asia, or the frigid tundra of North America, buffaloes have made themselves at home in a range of diverse ecosystems. The buffalo's role in these ecosystems is multifaceted. They are instrumental in controlling vegetation by grazing and promoting plant diversity. Additionally, their dung serves as a rich source of nutrients for the soil, supporting the growth of various plant species. But their significance extends beyond environmental contributions. Buffaloes are also an integral part of the cultural fabric in many societies. In some cultures, they symbolize strength and prosperity, and are revered and respected. However, the buffalo's existence is not without challenges. They face threats from habitat loss, hunting, and diseases. Despite these obstacles, they continue to persevere, embodying the spirit of survival. As we marvel at the buffalo's might and resilience, it's important to remember that they, just like us, are shaped by the environment they inhabit. They are a testament to the intricate balance of nature, reminding us of our responsibility to protect and preserve it. Now that we've seen both sides, let's compare these two bovine species side by side. While both cows and buffaloes belong to the bovine family, they have distinct differences that set them apart. Firstly, let's delve into their physical characteristics. Cows, with their wide range of breeds, vary significantly in size, color, and shape. They typically have a softer, more rounded appearance and are known for their large, expressive eyes. On the other hand, buffaloes, also known as bison, are much larger and more muscular, with a humped shoulder region and a massive head. Their fur is dense and often dark brown, providing them with insulation against harsh climates. Now let's move on to their habitats. Cows are incredibly adaptable creatures and can be found all over the globe, from the grasslands of the Midwest to the highlands of Scotland. They prefer mild climates and open grazing lands. Buffaloes, in contrast, are native to North America and Europe, with a preference for cooler climates. They thrive in a variety of habitats, from grasslands to forests and even in mountain regions. The role each of these bovines plays in human society is also quite different. Cows, domesticated thousands of years ago, have been an integral part of human civilization, providing milk, meat, and hides. They've been revered in many cultures for their gentle nature and productive capabilities. Buffaloes, on the other hand, have had a more tumultuous relationship with humans. Once hunted nearly to extinction, they are now recognized for their ecological importance and are protected in many areas. While their meat and hides are also used, their primary role has shifted towards tourism and conservation efforts. However, despite these differences, cows and buffaloes share a common thread. They're both essential parts of the ecological balance. They contribute to biodiversity, help maintain grasslands, and their grazing habits can even assist in mitigating climate change. Let's wrap things up with a summary of our bovine comparison. So, cows and buffaloes, two species from the same family, yet so different in many ways. Just as we've learned today, these two bovine behemoths offer us a fascinating study in contrasts. While they share a common lineage, their adaptations and evolution have led them down distinct paths. Cows, the domestic goddesses, provide us with a bounty of dairy products and serve as a cornerstone of agriculture globally. Buffaloes, the mighty beasts, are renowned for their strength and resilience, and in many parts of the world, they too are invaluable assets in farming and transportation. Yet despite their differences, they share remarkable similarities. Both species exhibit complex social structures and emotional intelligence, and both have played pivotal roles in human civilization, culture, and economy. It's a delicate balance, this bovine balance, a dance of differences and similarities, of strengths and subtleties. It's fascinating to see how these two species, though related, have carved out their unique paths in the world. Till next time, stay curious and keep exploring.